Yeah, go to Administration Options. Platform Management. So we can go to Platform Management in two ways. So just now you have selected Direct Platform Management. So again, actually if you select Platform Management from that view, means from that option, the view will be different. But here we are getting that we can make classic interface only. But actually this view will be different in some other versions. Just it will give some use something different. So once you upgrade this version to some other version, you will be able to see that view. So yesterday we have created one platform domain account. Select that platform and edit. So in case, if you are planning to give any Sentry or Defender exams, so definitely from platform parameters. They will ask some 4 or 5 questions, like immediate interval, minimum validity period interval and head start interval. Now expand automatic password management. So click on General. Yesterday we checked the General. Click on General once. So here again I am repeating just immediate interval. So immediate interval means the number of minutes that will elapse between when the user initiates an account management process and when the process is performed. Means whenever user initiated any CPM work. So it will check, for CPM will check for every 5 minutes. That is nothing but the immediate interval. Okay. And interval. So interval means the number of minutes that the CPM waits between loops when processing accounts associated with this platform. So basically every 24 hours it will check all the platform. Is there any work? Periodic work is assigned to CPM or not? Okay, now go to password change. Left hand side password change. Again. Click on the password change. So yesterday we tried to make that allow manual change to no, but your wall server got stopped. Just change that value to no. Hello, manual change. Okay. Now duplicate this tab. Okay. Just write. No, 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 no. But I think I lost that thing itself. I just vanished. So password change. Now go to account step. Yeah, I'll go for classic. We would say it's peaceful. Now select the user too. That's fine. You just go into that account. Here you can see. You have a change button right on the top after edit button. Right now, click on edit and change the platform to that new platform which we created. Okay. What was its name? Platform. Yes. Now the change button should be banished. But click on that. Only one option will be available. Change only in Vault. The password only in Vault means you will not be manually trigger password change by CPM and will not be update any password for the next CPM change. Only you will be able to update the password, only in the Vault. Okay, so hello manual change means if you put hello manual change to no, then you will not be trigger manual change, which will be performed by the CP. Okay, now go to Accounts. First tab, Platform Management. So second one is Perform Periodic Change to No. But this value should be yes because, in case, if this value is no and in your master policy you have configured a password change for every 10 days or 15 days or 20 days, then that will not be happen because periodic change value is no in the platform settings. In case, if this value is yes, then only that master policy. Password change. Based on that it is CPM will automatically change the password of all the accounts which are onboarded into this platform. So basically, here we are trying to say that there is no use of a CPM changing the password. Yeah. Periodic change will not happen. Next one is Head Start Interval. So Head Start Interval is nothing but a number of days before the password express that CPM will initiate the password change process. Okay. So, for example, do one thing. Duplicate one more tab. Now go to Policies, expand Password Management. So by default, password change for every 90 days and password verification for every 7 days based on these values, right? So Head Start Interval, based on the Head Start Interval value, what CPM will do? 90 minus 5 means every 85 days. Password will be rotated for all the accounts which are boarded into that platform. So in case if you put Head Start Interval value as 1, then every 89 days. In case if you put 2, then every 88 days, like so. So basically, before the password expiration is there, it will do it proactively. Correct? So, in case if there is any issue, if your CPM is not able to communicate to your target servers within that time span, means before expiring the password of that account, we need to fix that issues and CPM will able to change the passwords. Okay, now go back to platform management again. So next one is from R to R. So you have an experiment like you were a client or like a password. Change need to happen only after business hours. So your business hours is like 9 to 6. So password you need to happen after business hours. Then you need to put 19 to morning 6 and 7. Okay. So you have configured a periodic change for every 10 days. So in the 10th day in case, if you put this value at -1, then CPM will change at any moment of time. But your requirement is like you, password thing need not to be happening in the business hours. Then you need to set the value out of business hours in the from R and to R value. Okay. And you have execution days. If you click on Execution Days tab below, it is no. Just click on the right-hand side text box. So here we need to put in case. If you have a requirement like only Saturdays and Sundays password change need to be happen, then you need to do that. Values like SAT, then only on Saturdays and Sundays, password change will be triggered by CPM. So we can restrict that execution days also and also hours also. Okay. But are these practically being used? I don't think so. For some clients. Yeah. At least not execution days.